YouTube. We're going to Hardees and getting Ryan's World meal toys. Hi kids, this is the Ryan's World toys combo, Gil and Ryan.
All right, are you guys getting Happy Meals?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. What Happy Meal did you get, Jackson?
I want Gil.
You want Gil? What Happy Meal toy are you hoping that you
Ryan.
get? Ryan? Cool. What food did you get with your Happy Meal?
Chocolate. I mean white milk, and he got chocolate milk.
And what meal are you gonna eat?
Hot dog.
A hot dog?
I'm gonna eat chicken.
And you're gonna eat chicken. That sounds really good. Boy, what delicious food with a really, really cool toy.
Yeah.
You guys gonna open them?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
I got Gil.
You want me to open it?
Oh, it gets cold water.
Let me see.
Look, Gil. It gets cold water. See?
Oh, yeah.
It's his mouth. You got Ryan. I didn't want you to tell me.
What'd you get,
The
Oliver?
Panda. Oh yeah. Rockin, it can turn around.
Wow. Show me how it works.
Let me. Can I see how? Can I actually see? Can I see? Oh, it's like a thing that goes like this. This is the bag and the toy. So there's all different things, and there's Ryan, there's combo like Oliver has, and there's Gil like I have Gil, and then a Ryan's World egg with puzzles inside.
Tell me about it. Tell me about your toy.
It can roll and we can also punch it and play with it.
Show me how it works.
Also, it has gray, red, and white.
Show me the picture on it. Who's on it?
Ryan.
Cool.
I got Gil, and he can squirt water. I'm gonna dunk it into here. I'm taking it out, and I'm gonna squirt it at Common. That's what I'm doing. Look at how he's doing. Look at this. That's what my eye. Oh, yummy. Oh my gosh, it's really good. Oh, these are the bags that the Happy Meals comes in.
Cool. There's the front of the bag.
Here's
Jackson,
the
show
side.
me the side. Oh, what's on the side? Is that Tag with Ryan?
Yeah, and this is a truck.
And that's the truck?
You can unlock trucks, and this is a memory game.
So if you enter in this code right here, you can unlock a special truck on Tag with Ryan. You guys like that game, don't you?
Yeah.
Cool. Show me the back of the bag, Jackson. That's the front. There's the back. Oh, awesome. Those are all the characters. I see Gus, Combo, and Gil.
And Baby Sheldon, and Ryan, and Ryan, and Ryan.
Red Titan.
Yeah, Titan, and Peck,
Pet.
and Gus, and Mo.
And Mo. Looks like the gang's all there. Cool. Over here on this side, it says, who is who? So you gotta try to match the character with the shadow. Very cool. If you have Tag with Ryan on your smartphone, like Jackson and Oliver do, you can go into the app and hit Settings, Help, and then you're gonna enter in your promo code. The promo code is Tag Ryan. When you're done, you're gonna click Submit. Once you enter the code, you will unlock the new vehicle, the food truck. The food truck is really cool because it helps you get some extra suns, some extra cool items when you're playing the game, and then you're ready to go. You'll exit back out. Once you're back at the home screen, all you have to do is swipe left, go over to your garage, click down at the bottom, and where it says food truck, you're gonna click equip. When it's equipped, next time you play the game, Ryan will start playing with his food truck. And it's super fun, just like this. You gonna give it a try, Jackson?
Yeah. Oh, we X'd out. My turn, Jack. We had a lot of fun. I hope you remember to subscribe to our videos. If you want these toys, then go to Hardees. Bye. Like and subscribe.